please like and subscribe. John Ah. I see you are watching, John I. Thank you for subscribing to our channel and share our channel. We buy houses in any condition. Fast cash. Start below by giving us a bit of information about your property or call 209-691-0102. Are you a homeowner in Lemon Grove considering selling your property? The traditional real estate market can be slow, unpredictable, and expensive. Fortunately, there is a simpler alternative. We Buy Houses. Click Cash Home Buyers companies offer a direct path to selling your home for cash, avoiding many of the common hurdles. This guide explores the benefits of this modern approach for sellers in this unique part of the greater San Diego area, showing you how to achieve a fast and stress-free sale. In addition to real estate services, the Lemon Grove City government provides essential services such as public safety, road maintenance, community programs, parks and recreation, and permits and licensing to support residents and homeowners in the area. Living in Lemon Grove, CA, offers a unique blend of small-town charm within the bustling San Diego County. Known for its motto, "Best Climate on Earth," the city provides a welcoming and diverse community atmosphere, especially during the month of October. Residents enjoy a relaxed lifestyle with access to good parks and schools within the Lemon Grove School District. This distinctive character makes the city of Lemon Grove an attractive place to live, but life changes can still prompt a sale. Whether you are moving within the United States or just to a neighboring community, understanding the local market is key. Selling your house here presents an opportunity to capitalize on the area's appeal. The following sections will explore why homeowners sell and what makes this market unique. Homeowners in Lemon Grove decide to sell for a variety of personal and financial reasons. Given its proximity to the city of San Diego and neighboring areas like La Mesa, job relocation is a frequent motivator. Additionally, a significant portion of the population, including many high school graduates, contributes to the region's high population density. The cost of living in San Diego County, which is 42% higher than the national average, can also influence decisions to downsize or cash out equity. Many find themselves needing to sell an inherited property they are not prepared to manage, while others may be facing financial pressures that require quick access to funds. The desire to move closer to family or find a home with different amenities are also common factors. The high demand for housing in the area means you have options. For those interested in rental homes or vacation stays in Lemon Grove, popular online platforms such as Airbnb, Vrbo, and Zillow can be excellent resources to browse current listings and find a stay that fits your needs. The reasons for selling are diverse and often time-sensitive. Some primary motivations include: Lemon Grove stands out for sellers due to its rich history, including its ties to Mexico and strong community identity. The city's famous motto, "Best Climate on Earth," is a major draw for potential buyers who value Southern California living. Its unique story, which includes the historic Lemon Grove incident, a landmark school desegregation case, adds to its distinct character. This history is proudly preserved and celebrated by residents. The city is located just 9 miles from downtown San Diego, offering suburban tranquility with easy access to urban amenities. This ideal location is a significant selling point. Local attractions like Berry Street Park provide green spaces for families and host special events that foster a tight-knit community feel. Perhaps the most iconic feature is the world's biggest lemon sculpture, a quirky landmark that symbolizes the city's citrus-growing past. These unique elements, from its history and climate to its community parks and landmarks, create a desirable environment that can make your property highly appealing to a specific type of buyer looking for more than just a house. The We Buy Houses model simplifies the home selling experience. Instead of listing your property on the open market, you sell it directly to a cash home buying company. This eliminates the need for real estate agents, public showings, and long waiting periods for buyer financing to be approved. For homeowners in Lemon Grove, this process offers a direct and efficient alternative. The entire transaction is designed for speed and convenience. The following sections break down the specific steps of the cash home buying process and compare it to a traditional sale, giving you a clear picture of how it works. Working with cash home buyers like Click Cash Homebuyers is a straightforward process designed for homeowner convenience. The journey begins when you reach out with information about your property. Unlike a traditional sale, you don't need to prepare your home for showings or make any repairs beforehand. Once we have your details, our team performs a quick assessment of your property. We then present you with a fair, no-obligation cash offer. There is no pressure to accept. You can take the time you need to review it. If you decide to move forward, we handle all the paperwork and coordinate the closing at a reputable local title company. The entire process is transparent and can be completed on your timeline. The simple steps below outline how you can sell your home quickly and easily. When selling your home in San Diego County, you have two very different paths: a traditional sale or selling to a We Buy Houses company. A traditional sale involves hiring a realtor, listing the property, staging it for showings, and waiting for a qualified buyer. This process can take months and involves uncertainties, such as offers falling through due to financing issues. In contrast, selling to a company like Click Cash Homebuyers is a direct transaction. You receive a cash offer, which eliminates the risk of buyer financing problems. The sale is also much faster and requires no effort on your part to prepare the house for the market. The differences are significant, especially when time and convenience are your priorities. Here is a quick comparison. Choosing to sell your home to a We Buy Houses company in Lemon Grove comes with several key benefits. The primary advantage is the combination of speed, simplicity, and certainty. For homeowners in San Diego County who need to sell quickly or want to avoid the complexities of the traditional market, this option is ideal. You can bypass the lengthy process of listing, showing, and negotiating with multiple parties. The following sections will explore these benefits in greater detail, focusing on how a fast transaction and selling your home as is can save you time, money, and stress. One of the most compelling reasons to work with a company like Click Cash Homebuyers is the ability to secure a fast sale. The traditional market can leave your house sitting for months, creating ongoing stress and financial burdens. A cash sale can be completed in as little as 7 days, giving you immediate, easy access to your home's equity. This speed is especially valuable if you are relocating or facing a time-sensitive financial situation. The process is also genuinely hassle-free. Are you tired of the thought of endless showings and keeping your home spotless for strangers? With a direct sale, you avoid all of that. There are no open houses, no negotiations with picky buyers, and no last-minute repair demands. If you have an inherited or distressed property in Lemon Grove, you can absolutely sell it quickly. Companies that buy houses for cash specialize in these exact situations, providing a simple solution to unload a property that might be difficult to sell on the open market. This hassle-free approach provides peace of mind and a clean break. A major benefit of an as-is home sale is that you don't have to spend a dime on repairs or renovations. In the competitive San Diego market, preparing a home for traditional sale can require thousands of dollars in updates to meet buyer expectations. Selling to a cash buyer in Lemon Grove eliminates this financial and logistical burden entirely. You can sell your house in its current condition, regardless of its age or state of repair. Whether it has a leaky roof, an outdated kitchen, or foundational issues, we see the potential and will make a fair offer. This saves you from the stress of managing contractors and the uncertainty of whether you will recoup your investment. This approach is ideal for a wide range of properties that might otherwise be difficult to sell. We buy houses in any condition, including when you choose to work with local buyers in Lemon Grove, you gain a significant advantage. A company with deep roots in the San Diego area possesses invaluable market knowledge that national firms simply cannot match. We understand the specific nuances of Lemon Grove neighborhoods, property values, and local regulations. This local expertise translates into a smoother, more transparent process for you. It ensures the offer you receive is fair and reflective of current market conditions. The next sections will explain how this local knowledge leads to fair offers and provides the flexibility you need for a successful sale. Our deep market knowledge of Lemon Grove and the broader San Diego County is the foundation of our fair offers. We don't rely on generic algorithms to determine your home's value. Instead, we consider local factors like recent sales in your neighborhood, school district ratings, and upcoming community developments. This detailed understanding allows us to see the true potential in your property. This expertise ensures our offer is competitive and realistic. We are transparent about how we arrive at our offer price, explaining the value based on the property's condition and the current market. Our goal is to create a win-win situation where you feel confident you are receiving a fair price for your home without the hassles of a traditional sale. Because we are invested in the Lemon Grove community, our reputation depends on treating homeowners with respect and integrity. You can trust that our offer is based on genuine local insight, not just a quick calculation. Flexibility is a key benefit when working with local cash buyers. We understand that every homeowner's situation is unique. Unlike the rigid timelines of traditional real estate transactions, which are dictated by lenders and multiple parties, we can tailor the closing date and terms to fit your specific needs in Lemon Grove. Do you need to close as quickly as possible to finalize another purchase or handle an urgent matter? We can often close in just 1 week. On the other hand, if you need more time to pack, find a new home, or make other arrangements, we can schedule the closing for a later date that works for you. This adaptability gives you control over the selling process. We offer a range of flexible solutions, including when homeowners in Lemon Grove first hear about We Buy Houses companies, they often have valid concerns. Questions about legitimacy, hidden fees, and the fairness of cash offers are common. It is wise to be cautious and do your research before committing to such a significant financial transaction in the San Diego market. We believe in transparency and want to address these concerns directly. The following sections will tackle the most frequently asked questions about our industry, providing clear and honest answers to help you make an informed decision with confidence. Yes, reputable We Buy Houses companies are legitimate businesses operating legally across the United States, including in Lemon Grove. These companies provide a valuable service for homeowners who need a fast, convenient, or as-is sale that the traditional market cannot easily accommodate. They are professional real estate investors who follow all state and local regulations. However, it is important to distinguish between established professional firms and predatory operators. A legitimate company will be transparent about its process, provide a no-obligation offer without any pressure, and have a professional online presence with verifiable reviews. They will never ask you for upfront fees. When considering selling your Lemon Grove home to a cash buyer, do your due diligence. Check their business credentials, read testimonials from past clients, and ensure they communicate clearly and professionally. A trustworthy company will be happy to answer all your questions and make you feel comfortable throughout the process. One of the biggest advantages for homeowners who sell to We Buy Houses companies is the significant cost savings. When you sell your Lemon Grove property to us, you avoid most of the expenses associated with a traditional real estate transaction. The cash offer you receive is the amount you walk away with, without surprise deductions. There are no realtor commissions, which typically amount to 5 to 6% of the final sale price. Furthermore, we usually cover all the standard closing costs, which can save you thousands more. Since we buy your home as is, you also have zero repair, renovation, or staging costs to worry about. The financial benefits are clear when you compare them to a traditional sale. With us, homeowners avoid paying for selling your home in Lemon Grove, CA can be a significant decision that brings both excitement and apprehension. However, understanding the benefits of working with We Buy Houses companies can transform this process into a positive experience. From fast and hassle-free transactions to the flexibility of choosing your closing date, these companies offer tailored solutions to meet your needs. You can sell without the stress of repairs or renovations, making it an ideal choice for homeowners looking for convenience. Embrace this opportunity to move forward with your life, and if you're ready to take the next step, contact us today for a seamless selling experience. Click Cash Home Buyers is a premier We Buy Houses company serving homeowners in Lemon Grove and the greater San Diego area. We specialize in purchasing properties for cash, providing a simple and efficient solution for those who want to avoid the hassles of a traditional sale. Our team is committed to transparency, integrity, and providing fair offers based on current market conditions in California. Whether you are dealing with an inherited property, facing foreclosure, or simply need to sell your home quickly for any reason, we are here to help. We understand the local Lemon Grove market and pride ourselves on creating a seamless and positive experience for every homeowner we work with. Contact us to discover how easy selling your house can be. At Click Cash Home Buyers, we buy homes in Lemon Grove, CA, providing a direct and dependable service to property owners. Our process is designed to be the simplest way to sell your house in the San Diego area. We make a fair cash offer for your property in its current condition, so you don't have to worry about making any repairs or updates. As a trusted home buyer operating across the United States, our focus is on making your sale fast and stress-free. If you own a home in Lemon Grove and need to sell, look no further. We handle all the details, from the initial offer to closing the deal on your schedule. Let Click Cash Home Buyers give you the freedom to move forward without the burdens of a traditional real estate transaction. Yes, absolutely. Click Cash Home Buyers specializes in purchasing inherited property and distressed property throughout Lemon Grove and San Diego. We can make a fast cash offer and close on your timeline, providing a simple solution for difficult-to-sell homes. Citations: Numbeo. NID. Cost of living in San Diego, CA, United States. Retrieved from https://www.numbeo.com/cost-of-living in San Diego. Wikipedia, 2024. Lemon Grove, California. Retrieved from https://n.wikipedia.org/wiki. Lemon Grove, California.